The industry of healthy nutrition and active nutritional supplements is rapidly developing all over the world. Millions of consumers are waiting for goods for beauty and health, vitamins, amino acids, minerals and natural active substances. We offer you to invest in creating your own highly profitable production with 300% profitability. What do you know about agar-agar? It is the first time that we have managed to use agar-agar, an innovative new material of natural origin, as a capsule shell. We're glad to present our unique equipment and new technology for the production of round seamless agar capsules. With extensive experience in the capsules production, we help our customers from the project start to the moment of ready product's release. The equipment manufactured by our company remains the most affordable in the pharmaceutical market all over the world. High line capacity, cheap raw materials, low rejection rate and the absence of production waste are our advantages.
Мы ждем вас в нашей компании.